You will see a Schedule button on your dashboard after successfully logging in. Click Schedule button. After clicking, you will see your pre-scheduling information based on first come first serve according to your payment. To schedule your exam, choose City. Then choose Exam Center. You will see the days on the calendar on which the exam is conducting. Click any date to see availability. Once you click any date, you will see the sessions on the right side of your screen with the available seats. If there are no available seats at that session, you cannot select it. Click the button to confirm your desired schedule. Click Yes button to confirm. If there are available seats at that session, just click the session and confirm your schedule. You can change your schedule as many times you want. If you will not see your pre-scheduling information, you can still schedule based on the availability. You can also change your desired session in which you want to attempt the exam. Click to confirm your desired scheduled exam and continue.